think it's going. It's going. You ready? I'm counting 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, looks like that guy's winning.
You can have to.
They're going to bite your toe.
Yes, can I can't. Don't just sit.
It's going.
You have to.
Come on, Gizmo. It's okay, buddy.
Those things are
It's
scary.
They're not
okay,
racing.
buddy.
What's that?
Go. Go.
Oh no!
Go. Yeah.
Ah! No, little one's gonna win.
Go.
Big one's gonna win.
Go. Go. Run.
Little one's gonna win. Run! That one's just sitting there.
Gizmo, stop.
Mine's gonna
The
win.
little guy's
No.
dead.
Oh.
Oh, that one over there is going to win.
Oh. Oh.
Yep. That one. Which? Yeah, that one's
Yep,
mine.
that guy won.
Oh, we have a first place
Gizmo,
winner.
it's okay,
Gizmo,
buddy.
stop. Oh,
Mine's
we have
the-
second place. Second place winner.
I think this
And
guy's dead.
Third place.
Yeah, it didn't even move. Pick him up and just goes.
Use your foot.
It's Pinchers.
Gizmo.
Run.
He's going backwards.
Hey, Gizmo.
I think he likes
Stop.
it too much. Misty. And we're in third place.
He's going. He hasn't won yet. Sweet. Oh, oh. Here we go.
Hey, look, there's that one.
Yay.
I think we lost our bet. How'd you feel about the race?